So in this video, I like to go over a Persian rug that comes from over 1,500 villages and also comes from a city. And I think, in my opinion, it's one of the most valuable rugs for your money and has some of the most variety in colors and designs. Hi, I'm Sean with Catalina Rug, and in this video, we're gonna go over Hamadan Persian rugs. We're gonna go over where they come from. We'll talk about some of their key characteristics, such as their material, their design, and their colors. Also, if you're interested in Hamadan rugs, you're looking for some different options, and you'd like to learn more about them, then we're gonna discuss everything in this video. We'll also do a comparison of Hamadan city rugs and village rugs. So all that is coming up now. So the name Hamadan actually represents not only the rugs that are from the city of Hamadan, but also the over 1,500 villages that surround Hamadan. And that's what makes Hamadan rugs really interesting. A lot of the rugs that are made in the villages are made during winter time because in Hamadan, it gets very, very cold during the winter. And so a lot of the families, they gather in their home and they start weaving the rugs during that time. So if you come across a village, a Hamadan rug, then most likely it's been made in the winter by these families. And also there are city Hamadan rugs, which we'll talk about more. So because there are so many villages, there's also a lot of designs and colors that come from this region. And so if, let's say, every village makes 1 to 2 different designs, then we're talking about over 3,000 designs that can come from the Hamadan region, and probably even more. And as far as the material of Hamadan rugs, typically you're gonna find that they're gonna be 100% wool pile and they're gonna have cotton foundation. However, the older Hamadan rugs are also made with wool foundation. That's also possible. And the wool that is used in Hamadan rugs it's collected from the sheep that graze the high mountain regions in the area. So the majority of Hamadan rugs come with geometrical design, especially the ones that are made in the villages. But you'll also find floral design, medallion corner design, harati, along with geometrical. So whenever you'll see a medallion design in the Hamadan rugs, you'll typically see a hexagonal shaped medallion, or you'll see like a diamond shaped medallion. So again, because these rugs are made in a lot of different villages, you're gonna also find a lot of variety in color. But usually what you'll see is that there's gonna be 3 main colors in the Hamadan rugs, which is gonna be red, deep blue, and also cream color. And as far as the highlights go, you'll typically find blues, you'll find ivory, and yellow for the highlight colors. Now let's go over the difference between the Hamadan rugs that are made in the city versus the villages. So the city Hamadan rugs, you'll typically find that they're gonna be more luxurious, they're gonna be a lot of floral design, they're gonna have some really different type of colors being used as their background colors. For example, I seen one that has a yellow, like really beautiful yellow background color, and they're gonna have higher knot density because they're usually made in workshops. And when it comes to the village Hamadan rugs, you're gonna find that they're gonna be more practical for practical use. They're gonna be smaller sizes or runners. Their knot density, it's gonna vary, but usually is on the low to medium side. And they're gonna use some of the more like typical colors, like the reds and the blues and the cream. So a famous design that comes from the city of Hamadan that's worth mentioning is called Golfarang. And basically this type of design has a really, really beautiful flowers, and it's a rare type of floral design. Also worth mentioning is a really popular workshop, famous workshop called Yousef Zanzjani, which we used to have one of their rugs, and we have videos of the rugs which we'll show you more of. So this concludes our video on Hamadan rugs. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Hamadan rugs, if you want to watch more of the Yousef Zanzjani video and see what kind of options you have, then head over to our site catalinarug.com and check out our Hamadan rugs collection there. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, then I invite you to like and subscribe and comment below, and I will see you in the next video.